Hey guys, Gary back with another review for you today. About a year ago, I purchased a barista style espresso cappuccino maker, and ever since then, I've been searching for the right tasting espresso because it grinds the beans for you, of course. And I've been searching for the right kind of right tasting bean, and I just have not found it. My wife told me I was going to turn into a coffee bean, all the coffee beans that I've tasted or purchased. But I believe I found the right one. Cafe Gavina Espresso whole bean coffee. This is a 2 pound package, so it'll last a while. But guys, this has a rich chocolatey taste to it. Um, a rich, smooth, chocolatey taste to it. It doesn't leave an aftertaste in your mouth. I mean, and it leaves a nice crema on the top of the coffee, just the way you see it here on the package. And I'm an well, not espresso, but cappuccino, uh, uh, latte kind of guy. But of course, you need to have the espresso to make them both. But guys, I believe I found the right coffee bean. I mean, this is really, really, and it has where it's from on the side of the package here. But guys, if you want a nice, smooth tasting espresso, then Cafe Gavina is the bean for you. You guys make it a great day.